Hey everyone, today I have a quick little tutorial for you guys on how to apply your makeup in a matter of 10-15 minutes. This is what I do every morning. So if you guys are interested in this tutorial, then let's get right into this video. Alright, to start, I'm going to use the Brow in shade 5. I like this one because it has a slant. To fill in the brow, I'll use the Goof Proof Brow Pencil in shade 4. And then I'll go ahead and top it off with the Milani Easy Brow Tinted Fiber Gel. And I use this one in 3 medium brown. Since my eyebrows are filled in with a darker color, I like to even it out with a medium brown tinted brow gel. Next, I'll go in with Milani's Conceal Imperfect in shade 6, Sand Beige. Then I'll go with the brush and just swirl it on my hand. And then I'll go back with the L'Oreal True Match. This one is a darker shade. It's Classic Tan N7. And I like this one because it color corrects my under eyes. So I'll go ahead and just apply it with my finger. The one that's on, I'll just kind of dab it into my skin, but I'll let it dry. To conceal my under eyes, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in yellow. I really like this concealer for everyday because it's inexpensive, it works. So I'll let my concealer sit for a little bit before blending it out just so that it gets tacky. And I will blend that into my eyelid to create a base for the powder. Then I'll get like a powder brush like this and dip it into the baby powder till there's not much. And I'll start tapping that into the under eyes. And then whatever's left, I will blend it into my face. For bronzer, I'm using the Hoola bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer. Again, perfect for every day. Just run it down my nose. And then for blush, I like to use Tipsy by Tarte. And I'll just try to press it into the skin. And for my eyes, I'm going to use this Patrick Star shadow palette. It has just like browns in here, and I'm going to use this color and this darker shade. So with a blending brush, I'm just going to go into this like lighter orangish shade just to add like a transition shade. And to deepen the crease, I'm going to go back in with Hula. And then back in with Patrick Star palette, I'm going in with the darker shade. And I'm going to apply that to the lower lash line. I apply the darker shade to my lower lash line because I really have no lashes. And so it's just really going to create some dimension. And I just like to bring it up like a wing liner. With the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to go in with the color In Light, which is this one right here. And I'm just going to apply that to my inner corners and the upper brow. And then to finish this off, I'm going to use the Pat McGrath mascara. So for someone who does not have any lashes, this mascara is very helpful. And so for the last part of this look, I'm going to use the Kylie matte liquid lipstick in the shade Kristen. And because this liquid lipstick is very dry, I like to let it dry, and then I will go ahead and apply a little bit of this lip balm over my lips. This is the Carmex in Classic Lip Balm. I love these. I'm going to go ahead and just spray a little bit of Fix Plus. And that is pretty much how I do my makeup every morning for work. This is a fast way for me to get my makeup on, done, get out. I try to make this the fastest makeup application for me because I don't have too much time in the morning. So this look is perfect for someone who's in a rush, wants to look put together, but doesn't spend too much time doing it. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!